Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no TikTok internet connection on iPhone. Now let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, you have to check if your Wi-Fi is working or not. For that, open your settings, go to the option Wi-Fi. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. You can check it out by using other Wi-Fi. If it's still problem persists, then you have to try your cellular data. For that, open your cellular data and connect to it. If it works, then it works. But if you are still having the problem, then you can do is reinstall your TikTok. For that, you have to long press on your TikTok, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, tap on delete. Now open your app store, search for the app TikTok and reinstall it and check if it is working or not. If you are still having the problem, then it might be because of the software update. For that, open your settings, go to the option general. At the top, you can see this option of software update. Open it, update it. If any updates are available, you can see that I have new updates, so you can just tap on download and install and update. Applying all these options will surely solve your problem. In this way, you can just fix no internet connection on TikTok on iPhone. At the end, if your problem is solved, make sure to like the video, share, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.